Fun!
Cuisinart electric meat grinder grinds a wide variety of meats, including beef, chicken, turkey, venison and more. Powerful 300-watt motor grinds up to 3 pounds of meat per minute. Features 2 metal cutting plates for varying degrees of thickness, medium and coarse. Includes 2 sausage attachments for making breakfast links and regular sausages. Reverse function releases clogged foods to ensure smooth operation. Food meat grinder attachments for KitchenAid stand mixers. Our meat grinder accessories is made of high quality food grade material, which is healthy, safe, and can be used with confidence. It has excellent hardness, heat resistance and rust resistance, and is more durable than ordinary meat grinder accessories. The meat grinder attachment is compatible with KitchenAid vertical mixers and Cuisinart, SM50, SM50BC, SM50R. Please note, this meat grinder attachment is not suitable for K45SS. It is very convenient to connect this meat grinder accessory to the power hub of the mixer when using it.
3.
Sunmile electric meat grinder and sausage maker, features 250 watts rated power and 1000 watts max locked power. Grind up to 150 pounds per hour, powerful also durable motor and gear ensures that you will be using it time after time. The big size wrapped body is made of selected plastic, attractive and outstanding in your kitchen. The big capacity tray and the grinder head are made of polished cast aluminum. All of them are food grade and ETL certificated, secure to use in grinding. OSTBA electric meat grinder engine with power up to 500 watts. 3.3 pounds 1.5 kilograms of minced meat can be produced per minute. This meat grinder is ideal for ground meat and stuffing making, fast and conveniently, work as a meat mincer, sausage stuffers, kubi maker, vegetable slicer, and tomato juicer. The meat grinder comes with 3 different stainless steel cutting plates, 1 sausage kits, 1 kubi attachment, 1 tomato juicer and 4 vegetable slicer kits. It is easy to make seasoning meat sauce, spaghetti sauce, piz, kubi, smooth sausages.
5.
CAMOCA electric meat grinder. Made of food grade material, the part that touch with the food can prevent the pollution of ingredients. Made of stainless steel, thickened aluminum alloy and high-end ABS, the whole meat mincer owns strongly anti-corrosion and durable quality. Using a private meat grinder instead of a public meat mincer can ensure the safety of family food. It is also ideal for small-scale commercial use, efficiently and conveniently. The heavy-duty meat mincer is up to 400 watts rated power and 1600 watts max locked power. Grinding 3 pounds per minute, faster and more efficient than manual.
6.
Newhai commercial meat grinder, This stainless steel meat grinder is made of high-quality stainless steel, durable, easy to clean, compact in size, and weighs about 28 pounds. The electric meat grinding machine uses food-grade stainless steel, safe to use, strong and durable, no rust, easy to clean. The commercial and family meat mincer is equipped with 450 watts powerful copper motor. Its efficiency can reach 170 pounds/h, saving a lot effort for your jobs and housework. With special thread design, the efficiency is 30% higher than that of ordinary thread.